Morning folks, it's a Sunday, it is the, what are we on, 22nd of November. On my way to meet Tom. We're going to have a bike ride, we're going to whip round Preston on the GuildWheel. It's a fair old way, it'll be a couple of hours anyway. So perfect weather, it's blue sky, stopped raining after weeks of rain, and nice to get out from bloody lockdown, isn't it? Jesus, doing me head in. Anyway, let's see what happens. Here we are, we're on our little bike ride. It's freezing. So Tom's got his posh bike and I've got my tea trolley. Here we are, 13 miles in camp.